Hey, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how BookingMyClean works. Without taking too much of your time, I'm going to show you the features. I'm going to explain to you how it works, what we can do here, what are the possibilities you can do inside BookingMyClean. All right. Basically, BookingMyClean, it's a all-in-one software. What this means is everything you need to manage your business as a cleaning business owner is here. So you can receive payments, you can pay your cleaners, you can manage your cleaners, and you can add your cleaners here. They will have their own dashboard with the access of cleaners that they can see the cleanings that are sent to them, the cleanings they have, the cleanings they had, the amount you are paying them, and everything. And you can pay them here with one click. You can also receive payments and collect the payments from the clients from the cleanings for you, just pressing one button too. Similar as you can do on Booking Koala. The difference between BookingMyClean and Booking Koala, it's because BookingMyClean is specific for the cleaning industry. Booking Koala is more broad, right, for home services in general. And BookingMyClean is more specific for residential and commercial business. So all the platform was made thinking about cleaning business owners, thinking for cleaning business owners, right? All the features, everything here solves the needs cleaning business owners have. Now, you're going to be able to book your clients, get recurring clients, receive the leads here, organize your pipeline, have your CRM, everything in just one place. So it's basically for this, all right? What we have here. So I created a new account so I could show you the features we have here inside BookingMyClean. And every time you create a new account, you see this, we call it magic onboarding, which is pretty much a easy way to start on the platform, without you needing to figure out how to set up the best way possible. You don't need to set up this, you don't need to figure it out. There is here step-by-step showing you and sending you and guiding you to configure everything correctly. So you don't have headache with this. So you set up your business, you go here, set up your business info, then set up the services you provide, the pricing, the payment, you integrate your payment method, and then you build your funnel, which is pretty simple. The payment method, the payment integrations, you can integrate with Stripe. So once you integrate here, it's going to lead you to connect your Stripe account. Or if you don't have a Stripe account, it's going to lead you to create a Stripe account and connect everything. So it's pretty easy. There's no difficulty, and that's it. All right. Here you have the overview, which is basically where you can see the whole resume from your business. You can see the metrics, how many bookings, the revenue, the new leads, conversion rate. You can see the recent bookings, the recent activity. You can get quick links here too to book a new client, to send a payment link to a client, or to send the booking link to a client, right? Now you're going to have here the bookings on operations. The bookings where every booking you have, you're going to go to here. You can click here, you can book a client automatically. It's going to quote the price automatically because you can set up your pricing options here. Basically, all the setup for pricing here. So everything you can calculate automatically here for you, the pricing, the quote, the estimate, right? So have here the booking, and you're going to be able to see the upcoming bookings, the completed bookings, the canceled bookings. You're going to have here the recurring customers, where every time you sign up a customer for recurring service, they are going to be basically signing up for a subscription where they're going to be charged automatically, right? Because it's a recurring. So they're going to be organized here. You have the calendar that is basically you're going to be able to see your cleaners. When your cleaners have the cleaning, you can see basically your calendar here of cleanings you have to do, right? And your cleaners will have access to the calendar too, for their calendar actually, and they can see the cleanings they have. Now you can see the leads, and one of the best things about BookingMyClean is that you can connect every platform that you're getting leads with this. So if you're running Meta ads, if you're running Google ads, you can connect your website. You can connect everything to receive the leads here in just one place. And you don't depend to do the form here and just connect the leads with the form here. No, you can use Meta Instant Forms and connect Meta Instant Forms with leads here. You can use your form on your website and connect here. So it's pretty good because of this, right? And you can connect everything here, including, of course, the forms you can build here inside BookingMyClean, which is awesome forms. We call the funnels, right? Because they are more funnels than forms. They are made to convert cold traffic into booking jobs, right? Booking jobs. That's it. So, okay, you have the leads here, the pipeline. You can organize your leads here as new lead, contacted lead, qualified lead, proposal sent, converted, lost. You can organize your leads here. So you have a complete CRM. You can organize your customers too. So every time you get a booking, you get a recurring customer, they are all customers that you can have the information here, save it. So if they want to book again, they already have the information, save it, the card number, save it, everything, save it for you to book them easily again, right? You have the checklist here, so which is awesome. You can create your checklist tasks and send to your cleaners. Your cleaners have the access, and they can know what they need to do to clean the home, right? It's out there checklist, and they're gonna mark down as they go, and you can see the performance, right, of the cleaning. We have the marketing side here. It's pretty interesting part. This is basically all the setup where all the setup is made. So we have the funnels where you can build your funnels. You choose the service type, choose the service area. If you want to connect your domain, you can connect here. You choose if you want to show the price just at the end of the form or just in during the whole time the price is being updated. You can choose the payment mode, and then you can put other things here for like to improve your funnel. We call this the persuasion screen, which is basically the copy we use to kind of convince people to book the cleaning with your company. And we have the trust badges, the cancellation policy, everything here. You can connect Meta, you can connect Google, you can connect Zapier with everything, and also webhooks with everything you want to connect. And so that's it. And you have the funnel, the second version of the funnel inside here that you can also create and set up, which is it's a different funnel. It's an updated funnel that also works a lot. We have in testing everything we do here, all the funnels we test. So we spend money on ads to see if it's going to work or not. So we have clients, we have cleaning business that they accept us to do testing, a lot of testing. So we do a lot of testing, spend a lot of money to see what's going to work best, what's going to perform best, what is going to convert best for cleaning business owners. So everything here is made thinking about conversion, thinking about performance, and you as a cleaning business owners having an easy way to manage your cleaning business. Now you have the booking links where you can create client links fast, which means you can call the client. You are doing the quote there, and they say, okay, I'm gonna do it. So you go here, you just generate the link. So if they are already a lead, you don't need to fill all the information again. They're gonna have the information here. You can just put the details for the cleaning they want. They're gonna calculate the price, and you can put a coupon count if you want. It's gonna generate the price automatically. And then you choose the payment method, you generate the booking link, and you send. The lead, you're just going to receive in their email and SMS this link for them to put the card information and confirm the booking. Or you can also book them yourself. Like you can just ask for the card to put in file. So that's it. And it's very easy to book someone here, literally. The campaign links, which means that you can, like, if you're running Meta ads, Google ads, you want to create different links for different platforms. So you can test, you can A/B test, you can just do it here. You can create email sequences for people to receive. So like email sequences for people that just new leads, new bookings, new recurring customers. If they canceled, when the day of the cleaning is coming. So you can create all type of email sequences here for your clients. SMS too. You can have your chat here, so you can chat with your clients. You just need to connect with Twilio, which is a platform that you can buy a number and register it pretty easy. It's like $1 the number. And it's like $20 that you pay to verify the number one time, and that's it. And it's like pretty easy. You just connect here. You can create automations with SMS, and you can text with your clients here. You can do A/B testing. You can do re-engagement strategy. So people that try to book with you, they canceled, or leads that didn't book, you can just work with this AI client re-engagement here, which is going to be sent to the clients here. Messages to try to convince the client to go back and book with you. And then the lead forms, this is one that only clients have access, which is different lead forms here that we do for clients. And the reviews, you can connect Google reviews here, or you can send your reviews here, put reviews here, whatever, so you can show the reviews on the forms. Analytics, which is you can see like all the status from your numbers, your marketing, how it's going on, where your results are coming from, and everything. Now we're going to have the configurations where you just configure everything, right? And that's it. Basically, that's the whole platform. That this is BookingMyClean. So just so I can quick guide you here through the configurations. You're gonna basically every time you want to configure something about your business, the logo, the description, the number, the website, the address, you can just set up here. The pricing setup, like you can organize here. How do you charge? You can just set up this pretty easy. If you have any questions like, oh, I don't know what pricing should I charge, we created an AI, and I know like a lot of people are like just sick of AI for everything. We are also, but the AI can help in a lot of things, a lot of things. And when well trained, you can create pretty good AIs, right? So we created an AI here that pretty much what the AI is going to do is once you set up your business and your service area, the AI, once you click here, the AI is going to start researching your location, what your competitors are charging, what's the average price for your location. Then it's going to set up for you all the pricing here, the way you should charge. It's pretty easy. You click here and then they generate for you. You just wait a little bit, they're going to generate for you the whole pricing options here. So like if you, oh, I don't know, if you're like, oh, I don't know how much I should charge for this or for that, I don't know how to set up my pricing, you can just, once you have the locations that you serve, once you have the business set up, the AI is going to set up the pricing here based on this research they do on your area and in your business. So that's it, right? And you have all the setup here. You can create add-ons too. So if you have services, extra services you can offer, you can put it here. And coupons, you can create coupons. You can add your team. So you can invite a member, you can invite a cleaner, an assistant, or a manager. You can create a webhooks, as I mentioned. You can connect other platforms with this. This is the billing part, basically where you can change plans, or if you are just a normal user, and then you can click here and connect your Stripe payments, like I mentioned it, and you can receive the money, you can receive the payments, you can pay your cleaners, basically everything. The account, you can change the password and everything, and then you have the finance where you can basically see the pending charges you can charge the client, the payment history, the fees in that. Basically that's shown here. Like for example here, average cleaning business owners, they pay 50% commission for the cleaners. You can set up here how much you want to pay, whatever. If you don't want to pay here, it's fine too. And this is how much this is basically the Stripe processing fees, right? They charge 2.9% for every transaction, but everyone knows this, and every platform that you're going to be using is going to have a fee, basically, right? So here you have the payouts that is going to show here, and you have a support here that you can take any question, you can contact our team, you can do everything here, and that's pretty much how BookingMyClean works. So I just wanted to finish this. I just want to give you a quick example of the form. So let's get here and do a testing, so you can take a look here. All right. Now this is one of the forms, right? I didn't set up everything here in this account, but basically that's it. I'm going to be choosing here the informations, the date, the time. Also, this is locked automatically, so there's not going to happen people like booking at the same time, because you can control this there. And now I'm going to put here some basic informations. Let me put here Ronnie. Let me put here basic informations. That's it. Since I didn't set up the location for this business, I can put any address here. But once you set up the location for your business, you have the option to limit it only for people in your location to book with you, to see the price and everything. And that's pretty cool too, because avoid people from other states trying to see how much you would charge, And then once clients book, they're going to see this, they can apply a coupon, they're going to see the quote, and they can just click here and confirm the booking, which I can't do right now because I don't have the Stripe set up in this account. But pretty much that's it. And remember, all the persuasion screen you're going to see here, all the information people can see about your business, the reviews. If you have the reviews, they're going to see here. You can even show the portfolio, like clean jobs you did, and on BookingMyClean, you're going to see this here. So you see the lead. I received the lead, and I can get here. I can see every information. I can call the lead. I can put him on different stage. I can book the lead or whatever. I can generate the payment link automatically here, send to the client automatically. So that's it. It's everything to make your life as a clean business owner easier.